Hello everybody, my name is Aaron. Welcome back to my channel, Aaron Hahn Australia. Today we'll be looking at some bird species. Look. Do you see all the different birds? Look at the one down there. Look. And that one's like a peacock. And did you see that one? That one up there? And there's like the other birds over there. And some birds are like up in the trees, like that one up there. And the one that I'll show you, the spotted dove. I showed you the spotted dove in my last video. So goodbye.